Hey guys, this is Charles from MIT Engine team. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use our tool library in Fusion 360. If you are a member of our engine team, you should have access to the cloud library by default. If you can't see this cloud library, make sure you are in MIT Engine team's workspace. At the same time, please make sure you enabled cloud library in Fusion 360's settings. You can go into Preference, General, Manufacture. Make sure you enabled cloud libraries. If that didn't help, please try to reboot Fusion. If you are not a team member, you will have to manually import the library by going to our website, go to the blogs page, find Fusion 360 library, and then download the latest tool library. Now let's import the tool library into Fusion. We open any file, open tool library, right-click local, and then let's check import tool libraries. Just select the file we just downloaded, and then you will have all the tools. Now let's talk about how to use the tool library. I would recommend copy-paste all the tools into document tool library so that for each document, you can do some specific settings. Say, for a special part, you need a 1/2-inch end mill with a 2-inch flute length. But in Cloud Library, we have a 1/2-inch end mill with only 1.5-inch flute length. So at this point, you can edit your document library to have a 2-inch flute length end mill while keeping the Cloud Library or your local library to be your shop's default setting. Now, let's try to actually use the tool. Just create a new operation and select the tool you need. Remember to select the right material in the cutting data. In this case, we're using 6061 aluminum. And there we go. The right feed and speed, tailored to the stock material and the tool. There are a few stuff you want to check if you're not fully confident with your tools. The two most important values are the flute length and length below holder in the cutter data panel. Those values in the tool library does not necessarily match the tool in your shop. Since Fusion 360 uses those two values to calculate tool collisions, you definitely want to keep them updated. Lastly, this tool library assumes your machine goes up to 10,000 RPM. But if you are using the Bridgeport or a ProtoTrack, your machine might only goes up to 5,000 RPM, that you will have to lower the speed and feed accordingly. That's all for this video. Happy machining!